Now, after writing your test cases, the next part is how you can create your test cycles. Click on the test cycle management, click on the test cycles, then click on create cycle button and enter the cycle name. Cycle would be your suit, like regression suit, smoke cycle, anything that you want to mention. You can associate with your sprint, you can assign it to any user, and you can set the start and end date, you can give the description. And if you are someone who prefers to have a restriction in which you cannot execute test case number 2 before test case number 1. So you can click on this checkbox. Otherwise, you can keep it as it is. Click on save and your cycle will be created. Then the next part is to add your test cases into your cycle. Let's say I want to execute test cases of different sprints. So you can just select them and click on this move button, select the cycle in which you want to add your test cases. Click on move button. Your test cases will be added. And now we will navigate to execution listing screen by clicking on execute button and all of my test cases are displaying here. I will click on this button and it will navigate me to my execution screen. Here I can read the details of my test cases and I can mark the status of my test case like this. And here, let me show you a test case with multiple steps in it. Let's say this is my test case with multiple steps. You can even execute your multiple steps in quality. Yes, I want to mark it as failed. So my test case step is failed, and here it is giving me different options. So see, here's the case. Whenever you fail your test case step or a test case, it will give you different options like to add a defect and to attach existing defect, attach files. Let's say you have logged a defect already in quality, you can utilize this feature of attach existing defect, select the defect ID, and you are good to go. But let's say we have not logged the defect yet. Click on add defect. You will be navigated to defect creation screen where you can add defect description. User is not navigating to dashboard. Here you can see it has populated my step to reproduce field from my test case. On clicking save, your defect will be created, but we have additional details field where you can see all your build module requirements test cases are mapped. You can select the defect type, you can assign the severity, you can give the actual result, and here you can see expected result is also populated from my test case. So that is how quality is saving your time and efforts. No need to write things again and again. You can add your comments, you can assign it to your developer, you can set the priority, you can give the attachments, and quality has this feature of capturing the screenshot and recording the video within the tool. So you can just capture it, you can give the name, attach, and here it will be attached automatically. And on clicking save, your defect will be created and it will be attached to your test case. Here you can see defect is created successfully and it is attached to my test case tab where I can check out the details from the screen as well.